welcome back to another unboxing. This one is my May 2021 Boxycharm Premium box. So, anyway, we've got our little card of stuff and the cutesy floral card with it. But yeah, okay, anyway, I should just probably reach in and go with it. So, right on top. From House Laboratories. It's like, oh, hello, Lady Gaga. I see you. I see you. The Glam Room Palette #1 of Fame. Does it actually say that anywhere on her? Glam Room #1, but it doesn't say Fame. Really? That's so. Oh wait, yeah, it does. It does down here, but does it on the palette itself? I'll look in a minute. So this retails for $34. Unlock your fame in this new palette with 10 matte metallic shimmer and sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. This universal eyeshadow palette gives you the power to play up every persona. Silky smooth, blendable shades range from warm pale peach and rose gold to cool plums and dark, deep black for an ensemble of colors ready to envelope you in a new identity each time you want to reinvent yourself. Okay. Does it say it? Oh, it does. Okay. Ooh, bougie. Like, even, like, the pointy thing is on this palette. Alright, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Okay, so our color names are Cake, Applause. Isn't there a Gaga song called Applause? I feel like there is. Curtain Call, Contort, Scotch, Spotlight, Cameo, Shimmy, Slipper Room, and Top Hat. Let's see. Alright. Okay. Those are pretty. More neutral than I thought they were going to be for Gaga, but alright. Sunblock in the mirror so it don't blind ya. But okay. Those are actually really pretty. Of course, I'm drawn to all the shimmers and kind of ignoring the mattes, but alright, check them out. Those are actually really gorgeous. I'm really digging Cameo and Curtain Call and Shimmy. So, like, these three, maybe this guy here too, but I'm like, ooh, okay. Unless I'm doing it backwards. Wait. Curtain Call and Shimmy are definitely in the middle. Applause is over here. Slipper Room is that guy. Okay. I had it a little bit backwards, but that's okay. It don't matter. But I'm like, ooh, those are pretty. Still don't know how the hell to wear black, but everything else in there is really pretty. I'm sure I'll eventually figure out what to do with black shadows, but I'm not there yet. Every time I try, even with tutorials, it comes out a fucking mess on me. We've seen. Yeah, I need more practice, clearly. Alright, so from the brand Serum Kind is the Black Blossom Hand Serum. I didn't know serum existed for hands, but okay. This is $27. A hand serum perfect for the intensive care of the skin barrier infused with the healing effects of the Black Blossom Serum. Due to its elegant and mysterious color, the black tulip from Netherlands is a symbol of absolute beauty, royalty, and nobility. The black tulip is enriched with astragalin, a bioactive natural flavonoid that protects from external stimuli and smooths out the delicate skin of your hands. Why are we not using this in face stuff then? As a result of multiple extraction stages, the black tulip provides long-lasting moisturizing effects as well as fortifying effects for healthier, softer, and youthful-looking hands all day. Your hands deserve the best treatment. A precious serum of the royal black tulip. On here there's a sticker. Completon. I don't know what that means, but okay. Probably just means sealed. I just want all the... Oh... This is like a bougie metal tube. I don't know why that feels bougie, but it does. Ooh. Why do they always feel so much nicer when they're metal? And they have that nice, cool, cold feel to them. It's so much nicer than the plastic ones. Anyway. Oh, boy. So there's that. Then what's this? This is from Bite Beauty, and it's the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Cream. Ooh, alright. This retails for $26. It's a clean, high performance matte lipstick for creamy, bold lip color that can keep up with you. What's the color? Midnight Rye. Sounds dark. A little nervous. Oh, wait, there's a sealed sticker. Let's wait till I review it to break that. So I'll open from down here for now. Okay. We almost have an EOS, like, dimple on top. I'm like, oh, was not expecting that on a different product. It has that EOS feel to it, too. I'm like, oh, okay. Alright. But in this color here, I'm like, oh, shit. Is there a sharpener in here? There is! Hell yeah! You know I love me ones that come with a sharpener. Oh, that is very dark. I don't know how I feel about that. Holy crap. It's a shame that it has to be a lip liner, not an eyeliner, because that'd be a good eyeliner color, but I don't know how I feel about it being a lip crayon. Again, maybe an autumnal shade. So we have more from Rodial. These are the Dragon's Blood eye masks. They hydrate and tone. Depuffing biocellulose eye masks. So 3 times. Okay, so you have enough for like 3 uses? The fuck? Huh. These retail for 18 bucks. Oh my god, for 3 uses, 18 bucks. Okay. Yeah, mask trio. There's 3. These innovative gel eye masks combine biocellulose technology with Dragon's Blood complex. Is that a real thing? To intensely hydrate the delicate eye area with an immediate depuff effect. The cooling effect leaves skin feeling refreshed, while arnica extract, there we are with the arnica again, helps reduce the appearance of bags and puffiness for an instantly brighter appearance. This is a great treatment for prepping before a big event. That seems like an awful lot of money for what they are. But that's just me. You do you, but that seems like a lot of money to me. Too Faced, alright. Melted chocolate eyeshadow. This is an eyeshadow? I thought that was gonna be a lipstick. Okay. Waterproof, long wear, 24-hour crease proof. We'll see. They claim it. And we'll see. I bet you with my lids it'll crease. The retails for 21 bucks. This innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula delivers rich, intense chocolate-scented matte color and skin-centric cocoa tones that can be worn alone for an airbrushed finish or as a pigmented primer that locks down for 24 hours of crease-proof, waterproof wear. No shit! It's chocolate chai. Oh, bring it. Let's see this. Like, I've never really played with Too Faced, full discretion, but I know that their stuff is supposedly scented, and I've always been hella jealous. Oh, let's see it. Does it smell like chocolate chai? How do we open it? Oh, Twister. That legit smells like it should be a lip product. What the fuck? Like, that straight up smells like chocolate icing. Oh my god. Dude! Yeah, you chose the right girl to get this to. Oh my god, that just made my fucking day. Like, you have no idea how much that just made my day. Oh, goodness. And then finally, this one's a Boxycharm exclusive in this envelope. Look how fancy schmancy she looks. I haven't even seen them yet because of that seal. It's the LaRouche, or LaRouche? I think it's LaRouche Beauty On The Go set. Retails for $96 fucking dollars. Oh. Get ready to cover all the basics with this set. This 3-piece set comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a small dense angled brush for eyeliner or brows. That's $96? Like, you kidding me? Well, I just ripped it. Ah! Seal's broken. Fuck it. Ooh, they have the little Rockstar bumps. Oh my god. Look at them, they're so fun. Are they labeled what they are on that? Yes, they are. Okay, so this one's a small angle. Oh, that feels so fucking cool. The little itty bitty bumps. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Okay, that should not tickle me nearly as much as it does, but it does. Like, straight up. Oh my goodness. Okay, gonna keep it in here for now for safekeeping. one has bigger studs. Oh, the rockstar studs. Yes. Okay, I don't know what that voice was. I'm sorry. Ooh, it's a highlighter. Ooh, okay. Okay. Definitely synthetic. I can tell by the texture, but that's okay. Oh, nice and soft on the tippies. On the tippies. Tippy. So, I don't know where my brain is right now. There's that one. And then the big old honker. Ooh, I don't know why I feel like I need to show you the texture on these, but I do! I do! This one's the kabuki. I own a kabuki brush! Holy shit, I've never actually had a kabuki. Now I do. Let's not go where I thought that sentence was going. It's like, now I own a kabuki. Yes, I dookie. That was, let's not. Okay, alright. My sister has a kabuki brush that she doesn't really use, so she just, like, lets her kids play with it, and now I see why they do. That's fun. That's a fun texture. Okay. Alright, I own a kabuki brush. Who the fuck thought I'd ever own a kabuki brush? I just want to say kabuki! It's a fun word. Kabuki. Anyway. So, that's it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye!